Binance just saw its biggest outflow of 2025. Are people losing trust, or is this just business as usual? Let's break it down. Binance's CEO, CZ, is out here insisting they're doing everything to protect users, but massive withdrawals always raise eyebrows. More folks are moving their crypto off the exchange, maybe spooked by regulatory heat or just playing it safe with self-custody. CZ says it's all transparent, all funds are safe, but you know how it is. Actions speak louder than words in crypto. If you're holding assets on any exchange, always think twice and keep your security tight. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. In other news, President Trump just dropped a bomb, accusing China of an economically hostile act for not buying U.S. soybeans, right as markets were starting to bounce back. Now, you might wonder what soybeans have to do with crypto. Well, when big players like the US and China go at it, global markets get shaky, and that includes crypto. Investors hate uncertainty, and when the world's two biggest economies are beefing, Bitcoin and Ethereum start looking like safe havens again. So don't be surprised if we see more volatility, but also more people moving into crypto as a hedge. This is not financial advice. And finally, Ethereum just hit another milestone. The Fusaka upgrade is now live on Sepolia, which is one of Ethereum's test networks. Why does this matter? Because it's the last big test before Fusaka goes live on the main Ethereum network in December. This upgrade promises faster transactions, lower fees, and a smoother experience for everyone using Ethereum. Think of it like a tune-up before a long road trip. If all goes well on Sepolia, we're in for a much faster, more efficient Ethereum by the end of the year. That's big news for anyone building or investing in the Ethereum ecosystem.